The iPhone's wider aperture helps blur your background a little bit more than what we could achieve on the iPhone 6s, but the 1/3 inch sensor still keeps the iPhone from playing with the same bokeh we can generate from Androids and Lumias with larger image sensors. And at the time this review was shot, Apple had yet to release the software to blur the backgrounds on the 7 Plus, so we'll have to cover that feature when it's released in a separate video. If there's any core improvement to get really excited about, it's the spruced up focusing system. The iPhone 7 locks on smoother and more consistently than the iPhone 6s, even when shooting in low light situations. We had far fewer misfocuses than when reviewing the iPhone SE. No manufacturer can compare to what Samsung is doing this year, but this system gets Apple within striking